Hi guys, in today's video we're going to do 3 quick 5-minute styles that are perfect for school or everyday wear. You guys seem to really enjoy these quick 5-minute hairstyles, so I thought I would bring you another video of them. So the first hairstyle we're going to put the hair half up. So right now, all I'm doing is parting the hair on the back line, and then I'm just brushing it and combing it through. I'm also adding spray gel and water, and this is just going to help tame any flyaways that I have and hold them down in the ponytail. One thing you want to do whenever you're putting your hair half up is make sure that there's no jagged part lines in the back, because whenever you put the hair in elastic, they will show through. Next, I'm just going to use a colorful elastic in my hairstyle, and then I'm just going to put the rest of the hair out of the way so it doesn't get in the way when I'm doing my braid. Next, I'm going to create a fishtail braid. So to do that, I'm just going to wet the hair down, split it into 2 sections. Then I'm going to pick up a small section from the right side and put it over into the left side. And then I'm going to go to the left side and put a piece over to the right side. And I'm just going to repeat those same steps all the way down. A fishtail braid is really one of the easiest braids. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time to do, depending on how big a strand you pick up and use for this braid. So I'm going to braid down probably about 10 stitches. And once I get to the bottom, I'm going to pancake the hair out just a little bit to make it look a little bit fuller. Then I'm going to put in an elastic on each of my ponytails. This is just going to create a fun look. So then, I clipped one side so it was easier to put in the elastic, and then I'll go to that side I clipped in and put in another colorful elastic. I will link below where I got all of these elastics and where you can get any products that I'm using in this video. So now that I have my 2 ponytails, I'm going to continue my fishtail braid. And I'll go down about the same length or distance that I did on the top section. Once I've gone down 10 stitches, I'm just going to clip one side, and then I'll put the other side in an elastic, and then I'm going to continue down with my braid again. And then you'll just repeat the same steps with our elastics. Once you get to the bottom of your braid, one side will go in an elastic and the other side will go in the other elastic. Once I'm done with my braid, the only last step that I have is to brush out the bottom hair. If you have any tangles in your hair, just use a little bit of water to get them nice and smooth. And then add a cute bow, and that is our first hairstyle. For our second hairstyle, the hair is going up in a ponytail. So I'm using those same steps of adding my spray gel and smoothing the hair out. This is a step you really want to take time with, making sure that you get all of those bumps brushed out so that your ponytail just looks even nicer. And using water and spray gel are going to help to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Another tip I like to teach people is to use 2 colorful elastics. That will hold the hair up so much better than just one. So next I'm going to divide the hair into 2 pieces and clip one piece off to the side. So with the piece on the left, I'm going to just create a simple 3-strand braid with this hair. Once you get to the bottom of your braid, just tie it off with any elastic. I think that I'm using a clear elastic here. Next, we're going to create just a side bubble braid. So I'm putting in my spray gel, and I'm going to go down about 3 or 4 inches and put in a pink elastic. From there, I'm just going to pull the side where it's not braided out and kind of poof it out to make a nice little bubble. And then I'm going to repeat those steps going down. So another 3 or 4 inches, put in an elastic and pull at the side to make a bubble braid. And again, I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. You'll go down as far as how much hair you have. If you have more hair, you want to go down farther. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more spray gel so that any flyaways that are sticking out, I can kind of lay into place better. And then you're just going to add a cute bow to finish off this hairstyle. My third hairstyle is a style that we're going to wear down again. So I'm just taking those front pieces, putting in my spray gel, and then I'm going to pull the top half back into a loose ponytail. So I'm just combing it down to get any flyaways out, and then I'm taking a clear elastic and I'm going to just put it on the back side of the head. And then I'm going to use my Topsy tail to pull the hair through. Next, I'm going to use a little bit more spray gel on the side pieces. And then I'm going to gather a little section of hair from each side of the head and put it on top of the ponytail that I just put in place. Now you are going to have to go back with your comb and try to comb out the sides so that there's no bumps on the edges. And then I'll just put an elastic on top of that ponytail I already put in place. Now I'm going to go back through and kind of pull up a little bit just to give myself a little bit of volume on that style. And then I'm just going to tuck that ponytail underneath itself to make a twist. Now I'm going to go back in, grab another section of hair, put it in a ponytail, and do the same twist. And that's our fun half-up style. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post several hair tutorials each week.